3, 2, 1.
Check it out.
2, 1. Away from it. Okay, right out in front of us. Good job there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning. It's November. It's a rocket launch. CENJARS, of course, down here in Belmar, New Jersey. So my rocket is on the pad there. That white and pink fin one. 2 stage. Let's check it out.
3, 2, 1.
And one of the first flights today is mine. 2 stage. You see, here's the booster part right here. Booster. Got it back. Time for lunch.
Start off with our new folks as officers next year. I think it's a very important transition for us because we owe Charlie a really large amount of thank you. We have trouble counting how many years in a row it has been for Charlie being president, but it's a lot. If you look at my 2 boys over there, the big one was the size of the little one, and Charlie was president back then and a few years before that, so it's been a long time if you want to visualize that. He's made so many things possible in this club so that we can have fun launching our rockets, and we all just owe Charlie so much thanks for that. He has all these things in his van, in his garage, or who knows where he's keeping them. And he's assembled them for us. He's always here first and gone last. He's ordered the pizza, I assume, and brought all those drinks for us. Countless things, right? He's always working with the outside groups, such as the Boy Scouts, to make sure that we can help them out. So we've done a few things to thank Charlie. One of them is the nice cake we have over here. So I guess we're rewarding ourselves with sweets for Charlie's hard work. So hopefully everyone enjoys that. It says CENJARS on it and has a rocket on it.
Oh, go get, this is a cake picture. Go get the cake picture.
We also have a card that we've all signed thanking Charlie. If anyone missed it, please come by and get that. And then Patty put together a nice set of pictures of some of the great things we've done together. And now that we're done rewarding ourselves with all the sugar and stuff, we also realize that now Charlie will have time to do things besides letting us launch by launching himself. So Brian went ahead and got a nice gift card for Charlie to the hobby shop so that he can build new stuff and we get to watch Charlie launch in the future. So thanks again on behalf of all of us. Charlie, we really appreciate you. Let's give Charlie a round of applause. Thank you, Charlie.
I will add one thing. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here. I'm still doing the equipment manager for now. But I really, really enjoy this club. And what it means to enjoy the club is to enjoy the people that are part of it. What you do, how you help out, you just pitch in. There's been many times I've been distracted from what I'm doing, and you just go and do what needs to be done. And that is incredibly thrilling for me. So thank you all, and thank you for all this stuff too. Okay. Tempo recovery on the Astron Scout Franz rocket launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More Cupid, and it's going up high D. 12, 5, 2, 1. Yes. We will see where we're landing. Wow, 28 off of pad number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So hopefully it will land gently enough to be okay. A little bit of a bump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now I'm going to drag race Eric with his Pink Panther, which is still the same model as the Savage, versus mine. So, pad 4 and 6.
Okay, we have the official results from the drag race. And I have the news for Eric is video evidence shows mine is first off the pad. Yes. Second evidence, mine is furthest from the pad.
That I don't dispute.
So that means I win.
But mine was first to the ground. Mine was first to be recovered.
I win.
Mine was the prettier one. Yes, mine was the prettier one.
There's more. Oh.
And there's more?
You do a mic drop?
It was recovered by somebody who matches the color scheme.
So we have Franz's rocket, the Lotus Micro on an F-67 flying off the rail in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's probably the last flight of the day. It's my redone Big Bertha on an E30. I hope it don't go in the tree. Stay tuned.
3, 2, 1.
Not a bad flight. On a borrowed chute from someone named Eric. Last flight of the day.